Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about TorBox. Is it safe? Should you use it? Let's break it down. TorBox is a debrid service. Think of it as a middleman that downloads files super fast and streams them for you. It works with torrents, file hosts, and even uses Usenet. People mainly use it to watch movies and TV shows in high quality without buffering. It's popular with apps like Streamio and Kodi. TorBox claims that they don't have any logs of what you download or your activity. That's a big deal for privacy. The server is based in South Africa, not France like RealDebrid, which means different laws apply. Prices are really low, just $3 a month for the essential plan. You can even share your account with your family. There's a free plan to test it out without a credit card. The interface is clean and easy to use. Some users complain about slow speeds and reliability issues. The service had major problems when lots of people switched from RealDebrid. Customer service gets mixed reviews. The cache library is smaller than competitors since it's newer, and some streaming apps don't support it yet. Security checkers give TorBox a decent trust score around 72 out of 100. It has proper SSL encryption, but remember, debrid services operate in a legal gray area. What you download is your responsibility. Use PayPal or crypto instead of giving them your credit card directly. TorBox is safe enough to try, especially with the free plan. It's cheaper than most options and values privacy. Just know it's still growing and has some rough edges. Worth testing if you need a debrid service. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.